What's going on, guys? Your artist, your favorite artist, On The Loose, the artist. I know it's been a minute. I know you guys remember my old F-150 that I had lifted. Well, I got a Ram 1500, 5th gen 2021, and I'm just gonna do some mods to it. I had it for a while now, and it's been a minute, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing to it. I got a few things. I got the lens tint, like a tinted lens cover, and a tinted tail light cover. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like now, and then show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna do a whole thing. I'm gonna lift it, I'm gonna mod it, and so I just want to keep you guys with me to see what I'm doing. Hopefully all is blessed. Let's get into it. So you guys know I actually got this from AmericanTrucks.com, which I already had ordered other stuff for my F-150. They pretty much look like this. Just wipe them down real quick before I install them. Yeah, that's how they're looking. All right, the ones I got are just clipping. So I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. I did the other side already. Yeah, it's gonna be difficult. But pretty much, I'm gonna show you how I did it because I can only use one hand. I put in both, like I put them in between the trims. And then what it says is push up. So don't push down because you don't want to snap nothing. So once it's like kind of in, you push up and it'll snap in, and I'll show you in a second. All right, so here you have it. I mean, it was fairly easy. This side was way better. It actually clips in here, and this kind of stays flush. I mean, you could pull it up back, but it stays flush this side. For some reason, the driver's side, it's kind of pushed out more, if you see, right? Which I don't like. But I'm gonna see if there's a way that I didn't push this up correctly the way the other one did. But regardless, I'll put a double-sided tape here just so that it just stays nice and flush. But other than that, the front looks good. Let's see the back. Cool, so now I have my helper, my daughter here, helping me record, which is very cool. And I'm sweating bullets. But this is what we're gonna do. They gave us this little thing to clean this glass.
Alcohol wipe. Whew, that smells strong. It can smell all the way from here.
Little alcohol wipe. So what we're gonna do is, look, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna wipe down this mirror. I mean, not this mirror, this light. We're gonna wipe down this light right here. This is double-sided tape. We're gonna take off the double-sided tape. Make sure this goes here. Perfect. This one has double-sided tape, so we're gonna just take this double-sided tape off. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take off this tape here. Okay, we took off one.
Yay! Finally got it. Wait, there's a little thing there. Yes. So always do it on the top and it'll be easier. Okay.
Okay. There you go. All right, so now that we did that, I want to make sure to take some of the dust out. You know what? Let me clean this off inside of here, so I take some of that dust out as well. Just wipe it down a little.
Ooh, I can smell that. So what inspired you to do this?
Well, I want to show the difference. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this, and now we're gonna plop this on here. I think this is how you do it. I'm hoping that's how you do it.
Wow. That looks amazing, guys, doesn't it?
All right, so now we're placing this side on. Plop that down, just like that. I'm gonna make sure to push the parts that have this double-sided tape down so it sticks nicely. That's looking good. Let's see the other side.
Looks good.
Looking good. All right, guys, so we got the car finished. We installed the front lenses, the back lenses. I actually drove it last night. And what I can tell you guys now before I show you, and the car looks cool, but what I can tell you is at night, it's so blacked out, the tints, it's so faded that the light that we have on the truck, you hardly see anything. It looks like very, very low light. I'm definitely gonna return it, and I'm gonna tell you why in a second, but let me show you what it looks like. Only problem is, this happened this morning. I drove to a friend's house and this was gone. This thing came right off, that easy. I was driving and one tail light was on and the other was off. I am very fortunate to have found this on the floor by not too far from my house, but scraped up. So, you know, I am gonna have to return this. I was gonna return it anyway just because it's too dark. It looks cool, but I don't like the alignment too much, and it's just way too dark. You can't see light at night. I had a hard time just parking. I have my brakes on. Remember I said the left side cap fell off, the driver's side cap, and the other cap stood on. So the right side, you literally see no red. You literally see no red. So it makes it very difficult to see, even when you're backing up. Like, it's hard, especially with my truck. It's all tints. You see the left side, you can see it real good. The other side, it blocks off almost all light, especially from the brakes. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. Excuse the glare. And those are the lights that I told you I installed under the hood. Those are really vibrant. But these lights, as bright as they kind of look now, they're actually way more dimmer in real light, what the camera's capturing. But I'm gonna show you. This is what it looks like with, and this is remember, this is actually way lighter than what it looks like. It's about 2-3 times darker, this light. It's just my camera's capturing light that's really not there. So you're gonna see the difference when I take these caps off, how much brighter this light is gonna be. This is what it looks like with the caps off at night. More clearer, but you're gonna see, look at how much more brighter that is, like way more brighter. And that brightness is actually taking away the brightness from the sky. So that's why I will be returning them. But like I said, they do look cool. But unfortunately, I'd rather go with the original. Hope this video helped you guys out. For any of you guys who were looking to get these lens caps, which in theory, I think the front lens caps, those will definitely stay because they kind of clip in, even though they don't have these double-sided tape. And even with this double-sided tape that we have here, it looks weird at night when it lights up. You could kind of see the double-sided tape underneath because it's very dark, just like that. See how that is? You kind of see it. Those Velcro stickers with the cap on, you see all of them. So it looks kind of dumb, to be honest. Especially at night, you see those Velcro stickers. That's another thing I really did not like in regards to this cap. On top of the fact that earlier today, this thing fell and popped off immediately in the first day. For me, it's gonna be a no-go. I'm gonna return those, but it was fun. I'm gonna be modding this truck a lot more. I modded my F-150. Like I said, I got this bad boy right here, and let's see what we do with it, man. I truly appreciate y'all. For all y'all that don't know me, I'm Andalus the artist. I know you guys are watching this for a truck video, but I'm a well-known muralist, street artist, and I do a lot of cool stuff, and that's what we're gonna do with this truck here. So hopefully you guys like and subscribe to my videos, to this video, share it, and much love, many blessings. God is great. See you soon.